Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Technology is developing very fast. Lights like these are now officially outdated. I've got something very interesting to show you. It's not just a light, it's the world's first 6-in-1 MagSafe smart camera light for a phone by Moonside, who is also a sponsor of this video. Let's start by showing you the whole creative pack. As you can see, there are several boxes here. Let's open up the accessories first. Then I will explain how everything works together. The first item I have here is Moonside MagPod. That one comes with a tripod that also has a hot shoe mount included. The second item is Moonside MagFlip. And finally, let's open up the last box with MagLight itself. In the box, you will also find an instruction card with a link to setup guide and app, light focusing cover, MagSafe ring adapters, USB-C Type-C charging cable, wrist strap, and storage bag. So this is a full creative pack. The other option is the one standard pack that contains the light, USB-C Type-C charging cable, wrist strap, and MagSafe ring adapters. Let's take a closer look at the light. There are two buttons, power and mode, and there is light panel all around. Here is a charging port. Once you turn it around, you will see another small light panel. And finally, the magnet that lets you attach the light to the iPhone using MagSafe. It just nicely snaps in like this. The magnet is strong. I find it holds very well on the phone. If you have an Android phone, this is where you would use a MagSafe ring sticker to attach the light. This is the final look. Let's turn the light on. You will be greeted by this colorful effect. The mode button lets you switch between different lighting effects if you single press. If you long press the mode button, you will control the strength of the light. If you double press the mode button, you will enable wireless charging. It's 4000 mAh power bank. The little icon will show up, and now you see that the phone is being charged. By the way, you can also charge the light while you'll be charging the phone while you'll be using the light. If you don't want to have the light on while charging the phone, you can just long press the mode button to turn off the light, or you could turn the light off in the app. If you press and hold both buttons, you will perform factory reset. Let me show you the Moonside app. The light is connected here. I can control the strength of the light with this slider, and here I can turn on and off the light with a tap on the screen. The power button controls wireless charging. Here is where I can turn it off or on. If you long press the icon, here is where you can enter the ultimate color playground. First page offers you to choose any color you like. You can also take a color from an image. The next page is temperature. Here is where you can set color temperature. There are also presets here, such as bedtime, bright, focusing, relax, energetic, cool, and more. For filming and photography, you just drag the finger to select the color temperature you need. The next page is light brightness. Another is effect, where you can have many default themes. You can also create your own themes. Last page is pixel mode, where you can literally select each pixel on the light with a color you want. You can save all your choices to favorites presets. So you can use this light as a video light, you can use it as a photography light, studio decor, background effects light, house decor, power bank. It's a very handy little light. I'm going to return one more time to the app. There is one more section under the device where you can enter light settings and check firmware version. Yes, it's a smart light. Let's go through some practical scenarios where this light can be used and all its accessories included in this creative pack. Besides using this as a background decor, house light decor, You can use this light for any product photography or filming. You can use it as background light, and as the light panel is all around, the light will spill into a room covering larger area. This included light modifier is something you would use for product shoots. It will block the light around and make it a directional light. All that is left to do is choose the right light temperature and take the shot. For video, you can be more creative with this light, as it has all this amazing color animation. You can literally make the product pop. Take a look at how the color is changing. You can have the light sit on a table, or you can use Moonside MagLight that comes with this tripod. You can rotate the position of the light to any angle you need. The stand is great even if you are on a Zoom call and need additional light on yourself, or live streaming when you just need to add a pop of the light. As I mentioned before, if you use something like a cage for your phone, you can use the hot shoe mount to attach the light. The light will be higher, which will give you a much better look, especially if you are going to be filming yourself. The Mag Flip has many uses. You can use it as a phone stand, you can attach the light in the back, or you can only attach the light. If you are on a call and need more light, just rotate the light like this and use a small amount of light from the back. The same thing you can do if you are filming yourself with a selfie camera and you are somewhere out and about and find out that you don't have enough light. That little light in the back can really help. If you are filming yourself with a rear camera and you need the light, just put it up and you are all good to go. My personal advice is to always place the light higher whenever possible. Use all the tools possible to always place the light higher. You will get a much nicer look. Never place the light from lower angle. You will never get a flattering look. So what do you think about this light and the whole package? Let me know in the comment section below. I would be very interested to hear from you. What do you think about all this? By the way, if you want to see pricing, the link to this product can be found below the video in a video description. Don't forget to use my coupon code Zdenka to receive an exclusive 16% off entire order. Every year I decide what light I'm gonna keep in my camera bag. And this one is a no-brainer. It is tiny. I can do everything with this and it can charge my phone. The power bank is very important for me as the iPhone, as we all know, doesn't have very good battery life. I really like the colorful animation, so having the light in a background in the studio or using it for close-up product shots is something I am interested in. I can see this as a great item for someone very minimalistic. All these items are very handy. This is a whole new generation when it comes to small LED lights. I really like where they are going with this. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative and don't forget to subscribe for more. I've edited some videos that might be interesting to you right here, so don't forget to check it out. See you there. Ciao. Ahoj.